Elbows a little closer. There you go.
I knew that I would like to do it.
Yeah, that was super tight. And you got, there you go. Just let it relax though. There you go. Just gave you the Heimlich maneuver. Just let the head relax though. There you go. Nice. Same thing. Let that relax. Ooh. There, I got it out of you. Nice. Whoa. That little bit. There it goes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow.
That was nice. You said you wanted to be a little taller? Mm-hmm. Oh. Elbows in for me. Keep them in like pretty hard. Gosh, that was wild.
What?
Girl,
wow.
Just go to your happy place. There it goes. Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
It's just for more of like a decompressive pull. There it goes.
Oh! Oh my gosh.
Wow.
What?
Okay, that was insane. That was perfect. Your ankles. There it goes.
Wow.
Yeah, that was nice.
Wow.
That was smooth.
That definitely made me taller. I feel taller.
Oh!
There you go.
Okay, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh my god. That was a lot. Oh.
There you go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh. Yeah, it feels better.
Okay.
Like I think that's what needs to be like pulled.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's on mine without crossing. And that's it. And then elbows together. Just lean back onto me.
Whoa.
Crazy. Ooh, holy cow.
It's been a long month.
It's been a long 6 months.
Ooh.
Now, I'm just going to go kind of like that.
Ooh.
There you go.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just kind of let it fall in my hand. God damn, bro. Yeah, that felt good. Oh my gosh. There's the girl who sent him in right there. Oh, I know, I got you. Oh my gosh. Wait up here, okay? Just let it fall in my hand. There is more. Oh wow. Jeez, just everything falls. This is gonna help open up that low back too and the hips. There it goes. Oh my god. Yeah, that was huge. Oh gosh. That's great. Relax. I'm gonna do a look of minor pull. Oh, that was it. Beautiful. Just let it drop into me. Wow. Oh my goodness. this way.
Oh. Oh my god. Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go. There you go. Wow. Wonder why I didn't pay. Just relax.
Oh my god.
That was a big one. How'd that feel?
Wow.
Something had just dropped. Beautiful. My goodness, those are big ones. And just let it go here. Beautiful.
Ow.
Ooh, ooh.
I'm not even doing anything.
Oh, I like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just being slapped and pulled. Oh my god.
Open for me. Close. Close.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
How'd that feel?
I've never felt that before.